Hey everybody, thanks for joining. We're seeing record numbers of new people come on chain every day. They're exploring, they're trading, they're building, and they're using real apps. It's incredible to see. And last year, we shared that Coinbase Wallet and Base were joining forces. I see this as a natural flywheel. Base supports developers who build on chain. Coinbase Wallet onboards more people, and those people discover and experience great on-chain things built by builders. This is the way the flywheel should work. But the reality is that it's not working that well today. And that's what 2025 is all about. It's about helping builders go viral, which in turn brings millions of new people on chain. And to talk about closing that loop, I'm excited to introduce John Granada, who's joining us as the new head of product for Coinbase Wallet. Welcome, John.
Thanks, Jesse. Good to be here. I spent the last couple of years building an easy-to-use on-chain browser and search engine with Roam, and now I'm here to continue the mission with Coinbase Wallet. Last month, we saw all-time highs in daily downloads of Coinbase Wallet, and a lot of this is driven by the progress we made in 2024. We made it incredibly easy to trade coins across Base, Ethereum, and Solana, enabling millions of people to get skin in the game. We also made it easy for everyone to come on-chain globally with on-ramps for over 140 countries. We added USDC rewards, making Coinbase Wallet the only self-custody wallet to offer up to 4.1% in rewards just by holding USDC on-chain. And we integrated Smart Wallet, the next generation wallet, which makes onboarding nearly instant. But there's more work to do.
I love to see this progress. And it also feels like we're hitting an inflection point.
Yeah, the cycle is heating up, but we're also seeing a familiar pattern. A lot of the people come on chain to buy a coin and then stop there. But our mission is to take them further, to connect people to the on-chain economy so they can use it to make their lives better. That means more than just getting them through the door. We need to show them that this economy can actually work for them. Excitingly, we see the inverse dynamic emerging from builders. We have so many incredible apps, coins, and content, but it's still really challenging to actually reach end users. And that's a huge problem for builders and the one that we want to solve. So really, we see two problems. First, people want to find new apps, new tokens, and new ways to earn on chain. Second, builders want to go viral with their products, coins, and creativity. So the next version of Coinbase Wallet is about solving these two problems in one go, connecting people to the incredible products that builders are creating every day.
I absolutely love it. How do you think we actually do that?
So we're in the process of overhauling Coinbase Wallet to accelerate this flywheel, help builders go viral, and give people many more reasons to be on chain. And we're going to do this by turning Coinbase Wallet into an open platform that anyone can build and grow into. So to that end, we're rewriting the wallet from the ground up to be 10 times faster and easier to use. We started this last year and have made incredible progress, and we'll be rolling out the first beta in the coming months. We're also adding an on-chain social graph and a feed directly into the Coinbase Wallet app by leveraging Farcaster, an open source social protocol that anyone can build on top of. We'll use Farcaster to power a full social feed as well as mini apps with Frames v2.
Super excited about this. What does it actually mean for the on-chain economy?
Yeah, so first off, we're going to make Coinbase Wallet work incredibly well for payments. Crypto payments are a core use case and a key foundation for everything else, and it's been too hard. 2025 is the year we make payments just work. For builders, Coinbase Wallet will include mini apps that any developer can use to reach millions of users coming on chain right now. It will be the easiest way to get distribution and go viral. For traders, Coinbase Wallet's going to accelerate the on-chain network that makes viral token moments happen. New tools for the social graph will enable people to follow, trade, and share with their network all in one place. For creators, Coinbase Wallet will help you bring your creativity on-chain by connecting you to the best creator tools, support you in building your next community, and help you make money. And for everyone, Coinbase Wallet is going to make it incredibly easy for you to find the apps you want to use, the coins you want to buy, the content you love, and the communities that you want to be a part of. We're excited for what this means, and we'll have more details in the coming months.
I'm excited about this vision. And to talk more about where we're going, I'm super excited to welcome Dan Romero, co-founder of Farcaster. Welcome, Dan.
Hey, how's it going?
Thanks for making the time to come out.
Thanks for having me.
So I want to start with a question. We are seeing so much energy in the on-chain economy right now. How do you see that fueling the next wave of growth for builders who are building their products on-chain?
So I think we started to see the first signs of what it means to be viral on chain, but what type of stuff that can go viral and where it can go viral is still pretty limited. And I think we both agree that the next phase of on-chain virality is more connected, more global, and more social. And so whether you're building an app or creating content or launching a coin, we think that Base and Farcaster is the best way to reach millions of people and soon to be billions of people on chain.
100%. And we've talked about Frames as the way that developers are going to be able to reach users with their apps. How does that actually work?
Frames meet users in apps they already use every day, like Coinbase Wallet. And any web app can turn into a frame in just minutes. And developers get all this powerful functionality and the ability to have these amazing, seamless mobile transactions. And the way to think about Frames is it's like a cheat code for going viral.
I absolutely love that. When we're thinking about this open social graph, we've decided to make it accessible to everyone and open for everyone. What's important about that?
So like I said before, I think things are too siloed right now, and it's really difficult to go viral and get distribution on chain. And so by tapping into an open network, we can help developers solve the cold start problem, growing their app. And by contributing to an open network, we actually are accelerating everyone else's growth so we can all win together.
We can all win together. I feel like that's the theme of this new global economy that we're building. Thanks so much for being here, Dan. Super excited about what we're going to do together.
Thanks for having me.
So I'm so excited about the next chapter of Coinbase Wallet, of Base, and of working with Farcaster. And we also have one more thing. As we're overhauling Coinbase Wallet, we've been thinking a lot about our roots, including the initial blue dot that started it all when we announced Base in early 2023. Since then, we've seen an incredible explosion of creativity from the community. And we think it's time for a brand that represents us, and is something that the community can use and own themselves. Because it's going to take all of us working together to build a better internet. And so that's what we're doing. Over the next few months, we're going to be working towards an evolved brand for Base and Coinbase Wallet. As we build this new identity, we're committed to doing it in a based way, building in the open alongside all of you. So stay tuned for that. We want your feedback to create something that brings everyone on chain. And let this also be a call to action. We are building a new economy, and we need your help. You can join us by building apps that show the world what on-chain can do, by bringing your creativity on-chain, whether that's content or coins, so we can help you go viral, and by integrating this on-chain social graph, because the more people we have building on open standards like Farcaster, the faster every builder will be able to go viral. And finally, by giving us feedback. Follow along on Farcaster and X, where we'll share work in progress and how you can get involved. John and I are going to be around answering questions, and we're so excited to embark on this journey with all of you. The future of Base and Coinbase Wallet starts right now. Let's build.